What should you be keeping in your toolbox? Today I'll show you what I keep in mine. Hello, robot friend. So on top here we got sandpaper, electrical tape, eye protection, writing tools, mini flashlight, pliers, needle nose pliers, wire strippers, variety of bits for a drill and socket wrench. Now for the second layer, pair of good quality gloves, notepad, a drill that I don't mind being tucked away, wrench, hammer, tape measure, screwdriver, ratchet, baggie of nails, baggie of screws. Now, will all these be enough to do any job I may come across? No, of course not. But is this a quick, easy thing to grab to get me through most jobs? Yes, and that's what I need it for.